Brian Nathan.
Fell off again.
What is that? What is that?
I've put those mats on the table and just mashed it all up.
No, I haven't. Oh yeah, that's all very much like rectal. And yeah, let's go upstairs now, yeah. I'll meet you upstairs. Peace out. Peace out. So we're upstairs. We're going upstairs and I'll be back downstairs in a bit. Up there, as you can see, we have a tilted to that blob. See that blob? So up there you can see is a fire alarm. Now we're going to do a fire alarm video. So yeah, here we go. We've got one up there, as you can see. If you can't see it, it is there, even though it's still there, you can see. And when whatchamacallit goes off, the emergency light goes off as well. Emergency light turned on now. That turns on, you can see there's a red light. When that red light goes on, when that red light turns off, it means the fire alarm's gone off, and it either means, oh god, that's wrong around, and it either means that the actual light inside of it will come on, so that will tell me when I'll be able to hear it when it goes off. We're going to be making a video today. But not that. That's just in the next video, maybe. Yep, it's in the next video. So, actually, should we just do one test of the brake lights call point? Okay. Takes a little while to sync to attempt. It might not turn because there's a fault in it. It might not turn on. as you can see, the alarm went off. And yeah, so he wants to watch me do some racing. I'm going to get another 10 minutes and then it's done. Literally done. Look what I got. Get out the box first. Here's the main case. Close your eyes. Got this as a reward, something. Yesterday I went to an arena and I won this for doing some archery. Looks really cool. You can either put it on your thumb as a puppet. It's cool. I just put it back in the casing now so it doesn't break. That would be bad. They do snap in easily. Okay, hold on. So yeah, let's do. I'll do another video. I will, and then on the next video we'll do. In the next video, I'll show you my racing game I play. Okay. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next video. And please comment, like, and subscribe. And watch all my other friends' videos. Watch Minecraft Lou. Watch XX Nuke Space Ninja. Don't put the space in. You put the word space. You don't put it in. Just put the. I'll do that again. Type in XX Ninja. XX Nuke Ninja XX. Or just 1X, I think it's 1X. And then let's come up with all those videos. It's come up with 4 videos and 3 subscribers. And also watch B Games. That's Lewis's cousin. His name's also Lewis. Mine is as well. So all your new tubers out there. You guys may not know me, but I am real. As you can tell, I am real. So yeah, and also watch Max's videos and all the other YouTubers' videos as well. Yep. So make sure you do that, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can watch them. I'll put a description below so you can watch them. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and please comment, like, and subscribe, and watch all my other friends' videos. Make sure you do. And peace out.